How to fix Twitch error loading data on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitch error loading data on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here type Twitch and then click on it. And here all you need to do, just click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to data usage and background data. Maybe you'll find it like that, just allow it, and after that just go back to Play Store and then type here Twitch and check if there's any updates, and then just update your Twitch. And now restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.